Hello, traders. My name's D7 here at Grok a Trade, and it is after hours here on Wednesday, November 22nd, 2017. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, and I am highlighting a stock called Twitter, TWTR. I'm the owner of groktrade.com and freeonlinetradingeducation.com. And I've been trading 19 years. I was an institutional trader, and to this day, I am also a retail trader. Okay, let's get to it. Technical analysis on Twitter. This is a daily chart. I'm a big trendline guy, and I've learned to appreciate them and honor trend lines, because if you do it well, you will win. All right, here's the deal. We have been going up. You'll see a lot of arrows here. The arrows are my buys and calls. You'll see buys and calls. How far do I go back? Anyway, so I have buys and calls on all my trades here. Okay. I had a buy put on this on November 9th. We go higher. And then we busted a trend line. This trend line that comes across is a major trend line. If you'll notice, there's two trend lines that intersected here. So we went up, smashed our head on two trend lines, and then we come down. That's our bull pullback. Look for an entry. Boom, we entered. Up we go, and we broke one of the major trend lines. If we look at this trend line, there's a point. We come here, we hit there, we hit here, and we hit right there. So 1, 2, 3 hits, 4 hits, and we broke it on number 5. Very good to see. But we're up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks in this one leg. So we're long in the tooth. This is a little extended, but it did pop through some areas of resistance. Another area of resistance was this swing high coming across at 2168. I broke it. Then the next day we powered through, and which was today, powered through. We do have resistance coming up really quickly. If you forget this line, now that we broke it, this line's not overly important. I'm going to leave it there because it could be a support line as it comes back down. But if you just look at this trend line that hasn't been violated yet, and this trend line has not been violated yet, you have what's called a rising wedge. And if you look at a rising wedge with a MACD, it's giving us a bearish divergence. And I use 5, 9, and 2 on my filter. And what I mean by a bearish divergence is you can see that we are going down here. Okay, going down here. What I was showing you is we're going down here, but we're going higher here. Look at this swing high versus this swing high. See how it's going higher? Well, we're going lower here. There's your bearish divergence in a rising wedge, which is very bearish. It could continue to chop around between these two lines before it breaks down. It could do that. We're very extended. I think it's going to get to this blue line. If it does, be looking to sell. If you're in this long, be looking to get out of this. Look to short it if it breaks below 2168 and this lower trend line, this red trend line. That would be a good area to short. However, I do see volume increasing. See how the volume's going higher here? That could give us the momentum needed to blast through this trend line. Now this trend line, we got one hit there, we come down, 2 hits here, come down, 3 hits. So big support, big resistance. That's going to act as big resistance again. That should happen. But if it blasts through that, then get rid of all these lines and just wait for a high base, wait for a bull pullback to re-enter this. If it pulls up and then see it pull back to this line, that'd be a great place to look for an entry. If I quickly look at the weekly chart on this, on Twitter, this is the weekly chart. We're going higher. we're only 1-2 bars, so we have multiple bars that we could still rally, but the volume is really weak on the upside. So that's what tells me it's suspect, that there is a good chance that the next week could be red and we could start heading down. Be careful with Twitter. So there, you've been warned. I own freeonlinetradingeducation.com. If you go there, take one of our free webinars, or if you just want some basic ABC, hey, what's this trading stuff all about? Fill in your name here and I'll send you 6 trading videos to your email, right to your inbox. You can download those trading tutorials for yourself. I also own Grok. Trade, that's me in the background. GrokTrade.com. If you're a little more advanced and you're ready to get to some good education, look at the Trading Mentor here. If you need help with stock picks, go there. And if you're a day trader, check that out. So there you have it. Thanks for being a part. I hope that was helpful for you on Twitter. Make sure you share it. Share it with your friends. We'll catch up with you guys later.